What's up, guys? Welcome back to 101 Things to Do Hawaii style. Coming back with another hike today. We're doing the Waiakeakua Falls hike. You have to get to it via the Pu'upia Trail. It's a 2.4-mile hike. It's rated as hard. I've hiked Pu'upia, but I've never hiked to the falls. So I'm excited to see what the difference is here. I'm with my friend Meg. Say hi.
Hi.
We're excited to get going on this one, so let's do it. Alright, so it's been pretty easy so far, like really easy actually, and here is the first incline. It's actually not been that muddy. We thought it was going to be really muddy, so thank goodness. Whoa, check these out. So I know I just said we were going up that really steep part, but Meg was so smart and she realized with all trails that to get to the waterfall part, we had to stop actually right here. So right before you go up the steep part, there's actually a pretty steep trail here, so be careful going down it. But this is how you get to the waterfall. Good fall. So after hiking down all of this, we've come to a split in the road. Meg, which way are we supposed to go?
About 0.8 to the right.
All right, you heard her. Let's finish this out. Wow, this looks a little sketchy. I'm gonna let you go across before I follow.
That's terrifying.
Wow. So we made it. Check it out. You can climb up a little further with this rope. So we're gonna check out the little top part here. So this is the top. We just climbed up here and there's like more waterfall here Hi. And this is it, guys. It wasn't too bad. I would say the hardest part is definitely after you split off the Pu'ukia trail, but mostly just because it's slippery, and I would say there's a little more stepping to do, but it really wasn't that hard. You just have to really watch where you step because it is a little muddy. Hey. Alright guys, that was the hike today. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was really great actually. I had no idea that you could go to a waterfall off of the Pu'ukia trail, and there's actually a couple waterfalls along the way, so you just kind of keep following the trail. Like, I definitely recommend using all trails for this one because it's really easy to get lost. It's not well marked, so definitely keep a map on you. Bring some water, bring a snack for when you get to the waterfall so you can hang out, and definitely bring some hiking boots or shoes that you're not afraid to get muddy because it is a muddy trail. It rained on us on the way back, so overall I really liked it. Meg, what did you think?
I really loved it. I kind of want to do it again and bring some more people just to show it off and be like, look at this awesome waterfall, and then this cliff where the sun just shines perfectly and you can watch this waterfall next to you. It's really beautiful.
I agree. That cliff was something we didn't even see on the way in. We saw it on our way back and we were like, oh wow. So yeah, that is the hike. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Now, Meg and I are probably gonna go get some Spam musubis and maybe a Manapua to celebrate a great hike. See you guys in the next one.